Today I'm going to show you how to change the color of clothing in Adobe Photoshop. First, open your Object Selection tool. Under the mode, select Lasso, and create a loose selection around the shirt. Click Subtract from Selection at the top. Create a selection around the cord. Click on the adjustment layer, and create a solid color. Choose any color, so I'm gonna choose red. Then click OK. Change the blend mode to linear burn. Now let's zoom the image. And you can see the edges are sharp. Let's fix this. Select the mask. Go to Window, and open your Properties panel. I'll increase the feather to 2.5 pixel. Once you're satisfied, close Properties. I'll decrease the opacity to 75%. Let's go back to this. You can choose whatever color you like. You can choose yellow, you can choose blue, black, whatever you want. I'm going to keep it red. And that's it. Hope you liked it.